In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ASUS monitor not turning on. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you notice that there are no LED indicators lighting up when you press the power button on your ASUS monitor regardless of the model, then this could be due to various reasons. I'm going to show you some of the most common reasons and why this happens and what you can do to prevent it. So first of all, try inspecting the cable, see if there aren't any problems with the cable itself, and try using a different power outlet. So if you notice that a specific cable works in a different outlet, then it indicates a problem with the original one that you were using. So all that you have to do is switch out the power outlet. But if you notice that even after trying it on a different one, it still doesn't turn on, then it could indicate a problem with the cable. This one is hard to tell. Sadly, if you don't have an extra cable from a friend or some other way to try to power out this monitor on, it's going to be hard to see if the problem is indeed attributed to the cable or the outlet. Next, if you notice that there is actually a light on the actual monitor indicating that it is receiving power of some sort, then the next problem could be the cable. Check the HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA, or DVI cable that you are using. Once again, if you notice any inconsistencies like maybe a rip, a tear, it could indicate a problem with this cable. So it is recommended to swap out the cable completely and get a higher quality one. Once you swap cables, try again. Next, if you are able to power on the monitor by seeing this LED light up, the next thing to do is to check the connection type. If you are trying to use an HDMI cable, you have to set the source on the monitor to HDMI. If you are using DisplayPort, you have to set it to DisplayPort, and so on. As long as you choose the correct input source with a high quality cable and it is receiving sufficient power, you will be good to go. But besides inspecting the cables and trying a different power outlet, there isn't much that you can do. The best course of action, if it still doesn't work, is to send it back to the ASUS customer support. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix ASUS monitor not turning on. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.